This is not a clickbait. A monkey playing a game is going to unlock our future for us. A game that he controlled with his mind. I know it sounds like science fiction, but a 9-year-old monkey called Pager really made this happen. The science behind this is very simple. A coin-sized disc was implanted into Pager's brain through a surgical robot. The disc was then connected to the portion of the brain responsible for controlling motion. Then Pager was shown how to play Pong in a very conventional way with the joystick. When he made the correct move, he was given a sip of banana smoothie as a reward. As he played, the disc recorded the patterns of electrical activity in his brain. This identified which parts of the brain, that is, neurons, controlled which movements. Then the joystick could be disconnected. What happened next was amazing. Seeing the same game, Pager thought of the movement that he wanted to do. The disc read it and bypassed the needs of hands and the joystick to directly perform it. It has been developed by Elon Musk's company called Neuralink as an example of brain-machine interface. Now I understand some of you might be saying, it's just a monkey playing a damn game. It's okay. Come with me. I'll make you understand how this simple thing is going to change our health. Let's start with the simplest one. The lockdown. All of us have been in at least one lockdown. Trapped in our house. Not being able to go out. Can you imagine being trapped in your own body? Not being able to move at your own will. Just lying there and hoping somebody comes and scratches that itch. It's a nightmare, isn't it? That nightmare is a reality. For millions of people who are suffering from a stroke around the world. People who can't move, can't talk, can't do anything that they want to. Now for these millions of people, this small coin-shaped disc might give them their life back. Let's go one step at a time. Imagine a person who has lost their arm. They can get a new prosthetic one. Well, you can get one even now. What's the big deal? The big deal is this arm will be connected to the disc into your brain. That disc can make you feel. A person who has lost their arm will be able to touch things again. Not just hold things, but touch. Feel. And this opens up 1,001 applications, which we can't even think of. There's more the more you delve into it. From mind controlling cars to curing addiction. But let's just jump to that one application that and incidentally even Elon Musk believes is gonna change the future. Imagine being able to interact directly with your computer and through it with the world. Imagine being able to upload yourself, your consciousness into a cloud. We are very much linked to our machines in each and every walk of our life. Imagine then being able to link with them on a temporal level, even without a body. Can you imagine that? We, as a people, living eternally in a cloud. I know. It's very far-fetched and it has a ton of moral, ethical and safety problems. There are many dangers to this. You can read all of this on the link which I will be providing in the description. And I really know this is really far-fetched and might even sound absurd. But 10 minutes ago, The thought that a monkey could play a game with his mind, even that thought would sound very absurd to you, wouldn't it? That's it for today, dost.